So if you're on the go a lot and you pack your car with big heavy boxes and you have to transport them from the car to an office or to a school, and it's just really heavy stuff and you're looking for a portable dolly, then this right here is going to be your new best friend. The brand Vevor did send it over to me in exchange for this video, but this thing has been a lifesaver for hauling stuff around, whether it's boxes, groceries, tools, donations, whatever. You will get a ton of use out of this 2-in-1 folding hand truck. It's nice because the base actually expands, so if you've got a bigger load, you're not trying to balance it on a tiny little platform. The handle adjusts too, so I'm not hunched over trying to push it. The wheels roll super smoothly over grass and dirt. Even when it's loaded down, those front swivel wheels make it so easy to turn without trying to wrestle it. And what I really love is that I can flip it from a regular 2-wheel dolly to a 4-wheel cart in just seconds. I don't need any help. I don't have to use any tools, nothing complicated. It is made from a heavy duty steel, so it hasn't bent or it doesn't feel flimsy when I'm using it. And when I'm done, it folds down super flat and small, and I can throw it right in the back of my SUV with all the boxes and things that I have in there too. You could also store it in a closet, under a bed, in a trunk. It's just so super versatile and so easy to use. So if you move things around a lot, like a home, an office, a warehouse, a school, this thing will definitely save your back big time. I absolutely love it. I know you will too, and I hope this video helps.